Are you tired of having to remove this awkward formattation when copying the text of ChatGPT? Today, we'll learn how to remove it more easily. So you can see that when I come here on my ChatGPT and I copy a text and I paste it here, it has this awkward formattation. To remove it, all you have to do is go again here, copy your text, and go back at your Google Docs or any typing device, click on the blank space with the right mouse button. Now go here at paste with no formattation. That's it. Or you can use a shortcut, Ctrl plus Shift plus V. Let's try it. You can download a Google extension that does the same work but with a few advantages. Let's go download it. Open a new tab, click here on Google Apps and scroll down until you find Chrome Web Store. Click on it. Now search for copy for ChatGPT. Click on the first option, click on this blue button. Now click on Add Extension. Close this new tab, close this tab too, and reload your ChatGPT page. Now you can see this button right here to copy to clipboard. Click on it. Now, when you paste it here, it will already be without formattation. If the content helped you, leave a like on the video. And to follow more content, subscribe to the channel. If you want to make a compliment, suggestion, or had a doubt about the process, comment below. Bye!